Hello viewers and friends, welcome to my channel BST African Electronics Surgery. So let's fix something, okay? So I have this Itel tablet. The tablet was booked in as no power. Let me take off this. That's the tablet. We have the switch on button here. Pressing the power button, I can hear the button is clicking, but we have nothing on the screen. Let me plug in the charger. Charger plugged. Still, you can check here on my USB power meter, 4.94 volts, 00 amps. It's taking no current. So that's what we have to fix, okay? So let's see what can be wrong with this tablet. Maybe I can test with a different cable. No, it's not working. So let's open this quickly. We do have a seal here, so no one opened this tablet before. It's the first time to open it. Taking no current at all. So what can be the problem? Battery problem, charging port, we'll see. That's the tablet. The board looks nice. Everything looks nice here. Where's the speaker connector? That's the mic. That's the vibrator. The battery plus and minus. And the NTC pin, the yellow one. Okay. So let's start by measuring battery voltage. I think that's a good point to start. 2.61. 2.61 is very low. So you can see here, rated voltage, minimum voltage 3.85 volts, maximum voltage 4.4 volts, and we only have a 2.61. So our battery is highly discharged or is dead, but I don't think so. So let's adjust our power supply to 5 volts. 4.48, that should be okay. More current, 3.2. Let's see if our battery is charging. You can see on the power supply is taking 3.2 amps. Our battery is charging. So I don't want to charge it at this moment. What I want to do, I want to desolder this battery, the plus, and plug in the USB cable. Let's check for voltage there. I'm checking the charging port if it's driving 5 volts to the plus terminal of the battery. That's very important. .8, 2.9, 3 volts. Voltage is changing. 2.9, 2.60, 2.9 volts. I don't think that's the right voltage. Let me change the cable and test again. What about with this one? .98, 3.11. It's fluctuating. So we have to understand this. So at this moment, even if we charge the battery, maybe the tablet will come on but it won't charge, because the voltage which is going to the plus of the battery terminal is too low. We must have 4.5 volts there. So what I want to do first, let's fix the charging port first. Let's fix the charging port first. After that, we can see what's going on the battery. Or what I can do, let's desolder all the wires of the battery. I'll take out the engine and I'll leave the battery charging aside, okay? Let's see now. I just finished taking the board out, and I'm charging the battery with another power supply. So I think we can change this port. Because I don't think this is a good port anyway. I don't think so. So I'll change that port the way I'm changing ports almost every time. Flux, okay. Yeah, I hate charging port jobs. Oh, we have a camera. We have a camera close to the charging port, and you don't want to melt that camera. Yeah, that's better now. Less air, less temperature. Let's go for 430. Should be fine. Well, this is a small board. You don't want to supply too much heat here. Our port is out. The next thing is to clean up the area. All the pads looks fine. All good. Now we need the flags. That's the flags which I'm using. It's a good flags. It's as good as Amtech flags. So let me look for the right charging port. I think I have many ports of this one. We found one. I hate working on phones. Everything is small here. Everything is small. Everything is small on your phone. Now let's replace our ports quickly. One second. Oh, you can see. That should be okay. Now what is left is to inspect what we have done under the microscope. Well, the pins are small here. I'll inspect this under microscope to ensure that all pins they are soldered properly. After that, we'll recheck. All looks good, so let's see now. But I need to clean that port 1 second. Let's clean up this port quickly. Our port looks better now. I'll dry up. That should be okay. So we are ready to test. Let's plug in the same charger and see if we now have a 4.5 volts on the plus terminal, plus 3.36, 3.46, 30 farad charger. Same issue. So now we have to understand something. This is a new port. Let me recheck all the pins. All the pins, it looks fine. Let's recheck again, because if the minimum voltage of the battery is 3.8, it means we must have close to 5 volts on the plus. 3.42, 3.38. Now you have to understand a few things. The charging port, all the pins, they are soldered properly. I inspected under microscope. It's not working. This is a new charging port. So at this moment, what we can do, let's check on the V-in test point. Soon after the charging port, we have some few test points here. The V-in pin is there to conclude that if we have 5 volts there, it means our charging port is good. But along the way from the charging port to the plus terminal of the battery, along the way we are getting like voltage drop. That is if we have the 5 volts V-in. Let's see on this test point. First one 0, second 0.6, third, fourth. Check on the screen. 4.999, close to 5 volts. This is the voltage which we must get on the plus connector of the battery, but we are getting like a 3 point something. So at this moment we assume that the charging IC is faulty, but I don't have, so we can bypass the circuit. We can bypass the charging IC. I have some nice jumpers here. So trust me, this kind of fault, even if you change like 2-3 ports, you will never get 5 volts there. You will never get 5 volts because we have a fault charging IC. The required voltage to charge the battery is too low. So you can bypass the charging IC. After that, we'll see what happened. Hopefully that will charge the because with 3.2, even if you put all together, the phone won't charge. All good. Let's see now. What do we have on the plus of the battery? Plus, you can see on the screen 5 volts. So we now have 5 volts on the plus of the battery. On the plus terminal of the battery. So surely if we put all together, we have a charging phone now. So for some reasons we are getting voltage drop to 3-point-something volts for the reason that we don't know. I want to insulate this by glue. Just a little glue, not too much. Let's put all together and test. Let's put back all together and test. I just finished putting all together, and let's see now. Let's see, do we have a working tablet or not? Charger plugged. It's taking 300 and what? 360, 380, and is charging. You can see 42%. For this kind of Chinese tablets, I believe the charging current is okay. Let me try to power on the tablet. So our tablet is turning on. So that's how you can bypass the charging IC. But this is applicable to some kind of phones, but on other phones it's not applicable. You have to change the charging IC. Well, this is a good indication of a fault charging IC. Well, the charging port is good and is passing 5 volts, but at some point we have like a 3.26 volts to charge the battery, and the minimum battery voltage is 3.85 and fully charged 4.4. So if the minimum voltage is 3.85 and you are getting 3.26, I don't think that's normal. Obviously we won't have a charging tablet. So you can see everything is working. There's a user password there. So everything is working fine. Its charging is at 88%. Charger plugged in. which is a good sign. So I'll stop this video now. Like, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell for future updates. See you on the next one. Bye.